Welcome back to Car Flair. Today we're looking at the 2025 Toyota Motorhome Camper van. It's built for adventure, comfort, and reliability. Whether you're camping for a weekend or living on the road, this van delivers. Toyota designed this camper van on its proven Hiachi platform. It's compact enough to drive in cities but strong enough for off-road trails. Under the hood, it offers a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine. It's fuel-efficient and powerful, perfect for long journeys. The van's exterior looks sleek and modern. It comes with roof-mounted solar panels. There's also a side awning and LED light bars for night camping. The van rides on all-terrain tires. Its raised suspension handles dirt roads with ease. Inside, Toyota made smart use of space. There's a convertible bed that folds into a couch. A small table sets up for meals or work. The kitchenette has a sink, a fridge, and a 2-burner stove. Cabinets and drawers give you plenty of storage. The bathroom has a toilet and a compact shower. There's also a water heater for warm showers. Climate control keeps the van warm in winter and cool in summer. Insulation helps block outside noise and heat. You'll find modern tech throughout the van. It has a digital control panel for lights, water, and battery levels. The van comes with a touchscreen display, GPS, and smartphone integration. There's also built-in Wi-Fi and USB charging ports. Power comes from lithium batteries charged by solar. There's also an option to plug in at campsites. Water tanks are mounted under the floor and have heaters for cold weather. Everything is built for comfort and off-grid travel. The 2025 Toyota camper van is quiet, strong, and smart. It's easy to park, easy to drive, and packed with features. Perfect for weekend trips or long adventures. Toyota focused on quality and simplicity. Every detail feels solid and well thought out. Whether you're driving through mountains or camping by the sea, this van is ready. That's all for today on Car Flair. If you enjoyed this look at the 2025 Toyota camper van, give us a like. Comment with your favorite feature. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing rides coming soon.